In this video, we will show you the new way to provision a device using both the NMC Web Monitor and the Provision tool. First, we click the Provision New Machine button in the main menu. The configuration information is divided into 3 sections. The left side shows step-by-step images in the NMC Web Monitor, helping you follow the process more easily. The first section is Device Info. First, fill in the device name and sub-organization it belongs to, and finally the device's location. In the second section, the network settings depend on whether the NMC is using a wired or wireless connection. If a wired connection is used, DHCP will be enabled automatically. For a wireless connection, you'll need to enter the Wi-Fi SSID and password. Also, fill in the information for the NMC Web Monitor server. The server hostname, IP address, and port will be automatically filled with default values. If no changes are needed, simply click Next. The final section is proxy settings, which are optional. You can skip this step by clicking Next. As the final step, review all the information you entered. Once confirmed, click the Download button. Next, enter a file name. The system will generate a provision info file based on the information you entered. Afterward, the provision info file will be automatically downloaded to the device. This file will later be used by the Provision tool to load into the NMC and perform the deployment. Now, you can see the device appearing in the verifying list. If the previously downloaded provision info file is lost, you can re-download it here. Next, we will use the Provision tool on the NMC device to load the downloaded provision info file and complete the provisioning process. First, open the command prompt. Run the pre-created batch file. It will automatically call the Provision tool and pass the downloaded provision file as a parameter. The file will be uploaded to the NMC managing this device to complete the configuration. After the upload is completed, the NMC will connect to the server using the previously provided information. Once validated by the server, the device will appear in the pending list, awaiting administrator approval. If you are an administrator, you can click to check the displayed machine information. This helps confirm whether it is the new device you plan to add to the organization's management. If confirmed, click the Accept Node button and submit your approval. The device is now successfully provisioned and added to the organization. Additionally, to make future device management easier, we recommend completing the following setup. The administrator needs to assign the device to a node group managed by a user group. This way, users responsible for management will be able to view and control the device. Device provision today, endless possibilities tomorrow. In the next video, learn how to re-provision with ease.